to introduce our South Multiple leaders. This South Multiple Council was headed by our chairman, C. Balachandran, and assisted by Vice Chairman Dr. Sidula Balakrishna and Vice Chairman 2 P. Venkatrao from District 105. For this South Multiple, Chief Advisor is our inspirational leader, Dr. P.T. Rajuji, and myself, the advisor. And our immediate past chairman is Professor N. Ramakrishna. Apart from that, we are having our secretary S. Rajendra from District 219 and treasurer S. Devarajan from District 160 and our PRO Alay EPR Perinjodi from District 160. Next slide, Sendil.
Yes.
Then we have joint secretary Rangu Adinarayana from District 192 and joint treasurer Mrs. Jagada Ram Singh from District 132 and additional PRO M. Sivaji from Odisha. Then we have 5 state administrators representing Andhra, Mrs. C.H. Vijayalakshmi from 225 and Atma Ramulu from 162, I believe. Then B. Ganesan, Tamil Nadu from 132 and Sundarvelu from District 215 from Karnataka and Suresh Babu, District 224 from Koilandi, Kerala. All these 5 persons are state administrators. And apart from that, our chairman nominated project administrator 6 persons. Alay J. Sundarajan from District 160 is project administrator for blood donation camps. Then Alay Mrs. B.S. Manikam from District 105 for environmental activities. Then Madam Alamelu from District 214 for cancer care. Then Mrs. Navina Shettigar from District 131 to take care of medical camp. Then Mrs. Koyana Kumari from District 106 taking care of orphanage and old age home visits. Then S.C. Gnanasegaran DG from District 234 Nagapatnam is taking care of tree plantations. Apart from all these things, our S. Sendil Kumar, District 219 is website in charge. Then next. Then we have a Merlot team. For this membership chairman is our none other than leader Dr. Sastri. Then our extension chairman, our Puchiram. Then retention chairman Sridharan from Chennai. Then leadership chairman Dr. Ram Singh from District 132. And orientation chairman GP Divagar from Mysore. Then women membership chairperson Mrs. Sundara Lakshmi from District 223. So all these officers and leaders are representing South Multiple, and I request all the leaders to make their best possible ways so that, as our international past president Dr. Tirupati Raju suggested, we can bring lawyers to our South Multiple Council, and we can make it as, and we can still maintain it as the maintain its glory as the one of the best multiples in this international. Thank you, Chairman, for this opportunity. Over to Balachandran.
Madhivanan, sir.
Yeah, tell me, ma.
What about Mohan Das, sir?
Oh, yes, I forgot because the slide is not here. Mohan, sorry, extremely friends. Mohan Das from District 2 to 3 is taking.
Sendil sir, last slide one say 25 in sort.
1 minute.
Now over to Balachandran. Balachandran, can you hear me, sir? Balachandran, I think he is having same technical problem. I think Raju sir, we can proceed, sir. As soon as we rectify, let him join.
Yes.
As you suggested, first we can take that subject of promotional money by leaders for the enrollment of LMF, sir.
Yes.
Please, sir.
So let us start with the
Raju, sir.
VM Rao garu.
Can you unmute, sir?
Sir, tell me, sir.
Now, how to contribute for LMF incentive?
Sir, basing on the last year,
Hmm.
we expected actually 100 or 200 or like that, but it has become nearly 400. Sir.
Yes.
We didn't expect this much of this one. That's why it was a heavy investment for us also.
Yes.
Last
And because
one
in my case, definitely I will have to go for for the next year.
Sir, Payana Kumar is there. Mohandas of this 223 is there, sir.
Alexandran, PM Rao is telling his views. Why interruption?
So VM Rao
Yes, sir.
last time
No, I'm not hearing, sir. Sir.
this time okay, let us reduce 250 like that, so we'll increase more members.
That is okay, sir.
Suppose you
250 rupees per member for
250
South.
rupees. So like that we'll involve more members
Okay.
and we reduce the contribution. Suppose I will give 250, you give 250, so
Yes.
it will become 500. Like that we'll involve more members.
If that is okay, sir. If that is the case, no problem.
Hmm.
Because international patient has to come forward, but he is not coming.
We asked him to give last year I given 1,000 rupees. This year I asked him to give again 1,000 rupees, but
Mhm.
no response. So myself will give 250 rupees for whatever the LMF come. VM Rao also give 250 rupees. Then it is coming. If suppose if international gives 1,500, then it is coming 2,000. Our chairman is giving 500. 2,500 has come already.
What about third vice president?
Then now let us go to
Yes.
our Mathivanan.
Yes, sir. I can also contribute 250 for all the members from South, sir.
You will give 250 for every member.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
go.
That is better. See, we'll reduce the amount.
Yes,
And
sir.
we ask the other people.
Okay.
Yes.
Ramkrishna has
Then-
promised for 50 members, I think.
And
Ramkrishna 500 rupees for 50 members.
no. Instead of that, this way better, I think.
No, that is that he has to see now.
No, see, మనం ఇచ్చేదని ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఇస్తున్నాం. మీరు వీల్ గివ్ Mathivanan and yourself, myself, and Balachandran is giving for the entire South America.
Okay.
And I request the vice chairmen also let us know what
Sir,
is their
upfront our
idea.
Balachandran contributing is 500, sir, for all the members.
500, sir. We
Yes,
three each giving 250.
Yes.
It
Yes,
is coming
yes.
750.
Yes, you are right, sir. You are right.
750 plus Balachandran 500. So 1250 is coming.
Yes.
Let us know from the vice chairmen. We want little amount so that our contribution will be easy for everybody and we can pay like that.
Otherwise, they can come some lump sum amount, sir, instead of per member.
No, అది కష్టం అండి. Lump sum amount means how we decide.
No.
Let us even 100 rupees also it's okay because we are getting now already we got 1250. 1250 we got. At least vice chairmen let us know how much for each member they can give. Balakrishna is there.
He is not attended.
Yes, joined, sir.
Venkatrao garu. Sir, unmute చేసుకోండి.
You can unmute yourselves.
Yes, 100 rupees per head చొప్పున ఇస్తానండి.
So Venkatrao garu will give 100 rupees per head. So we'll ask Balakrishna also similarly.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Sir,
Good
how
evening.
much?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. I think we call you. How much? Sir, here Balakrishna, for we are rising because last time it became a burden. Few people only, it became larger amount. Now, our international so far they promised only 1,000. We are asking for 1,500. And Balachandran has agreed to give 500. Myself and VM Rao and Mathivanan, we agreed to give 250 each. Venkatrao agreed 100 rupees for each LMF in South Multiple. So we want your response, Balakrishna.
Sir, good evening. Vanakkam to all of you, sir.
Yes.
So I am very happy to announce you that by the grace of God, this year I am ready to give 100 LMF. Each LMF will get 250 rupees, sir.
No, not like that, sir. We are asking, Venkatrao is giving 100
For all the
Okay.
members.
for all the members. Like that, you give for all the members.
Okay, how much you are
In the South
expecting, sir?
Multiple.
South Multiple. No, in South
No,
Multiple
no,
only.
no, I am announcing every time South Multiple only.
Yes, yes.
Sir, you can also give 100 rupees for all the members.
100 or 150 so that it can round up.
Okay, sir, I respect your words, sir.
How much?
Up
I
until
respect
the
your,
VM brother, how
respect
much is
your
coming?
word.
1250 plus
1450, sir.
70?
It comes to 1450, sir.
1450.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, let us make both of you add can 25, 25, it will be 1,500.
That's also good.
125, 125.
Yes.
So it will be coming 1,500.
Yes,
This is
sir.
1,500
Okay, sir.
plus whatever the international, if suppose international gives 1,500, it will be 3,000.
Yes.
Okay. This is up to now. Then what I suggest is, okay, we let us know any other member is interested to give.
Sir, our Sanskrit also announced the last time, sir.
Shastri.
Sir, I am audible, sir.
Shastri, what is your contribution?
I am ready to contribute 100 rupees, sir.
100
for
rupees
each
for
member.
each member.
Yes.
That is also good. Next, like the other members. Another last time promised, were the other members promised?
Sir, let them, the district governors are there now. The concerned district governors will,
That is, sir, governors will contribute in that district, but up to multiple, how much we are contributing? That's all now. What about Ramakrishna Garu?
ask him to make 100 rupees for him also, sir.
That is also better.
Yes.
100 rupees, Ramakrishna.
For all
Somebody
members.
note down, sir. Madhvanan, please note down.
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
am
sir.
noting down, sir.
And 100 rupees, Ramakrishna.
For
100
all
rupees,
members.
Shastri.
Sir, I think instead of 100 rupees, they can go for 125 rupees, sir, so that
250 will come round.
yes.
Yes.
No problem. Ramakrishna and Shastri, they never say no. So that is good. We are giving each person 250, they are giving 125. So how
now
much
it
is coming in
becomes
Madhvanan now?
1,750 it comes, sir.
Now with Ramakrishna and Shastri.
Yes, sir.
What about the other people here? Our Buchiram? Is he?
Another 2 persons will do, sir.
Yes, sir. Buchiram is here.
Uchiram and Kola Anareddy can contribute, sir.
Yes. Buchiram. We other people also they can give. They like. They can give.
Srinivas also may come, sir. 137 director, international director. Srinivas.
Directors will
Srinivas.
ask them first. This is a entire multiple directors they may give in their region. Suppose one is a director from 6-7 districts, in that he may motivate. But if anybody want, they can give at the multiple level also. We have no objection.
No, we're asking for multiple only because we happen to be South multiple member.
What about Buchiram? Please unmute. Buchiram.
Hello, sir. Audible?
Yes.
Buchiram.
Hello?
Chappan sir.
Audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bichiram.
So, yes, sir.
So now I think you have heard what we discussed
Yes,
so
sir.
far.
But South Matpur belongs to my Andhra, Apart from 105, I will contribute 500 to each member. Apart from 105, 106, 110, 225.
You are our multiple leader, not for any district.
No.
Whatever you announce, you are multiple leader. You announce for entire multiple. You give 50 rupees, 25 rupees, 100 rupees, 500 rupees, whatever amount you decide. You announce for entire multiple, not for each district.
50 for the entire portable.
Actually, I request Bichiram to give 125 rupees for each member in the multiple.
Okay, sir. 100
Okay,
rupees. Enough. Actually,
125 for each.
I'll contribute later on, sir. I promise you to give 100 rupees.
125, not 100, because it is not coming round.
Yes.
So 125 for each
Okay.
member in South multiple.
Okay.
Okay. Madhuvana.
I noted, sir, one more person. If Kola Anarati is available, we can.
Anna Reddy garu. Anna Reddy.
Anna.
First of all, our leaders should have a good internet.
Yes.
Otherwise, our chairman will give internet to everybody and charge for all of it. We will pay from the Sidhar Kumar. You see, you have to collect money and take internet for everybody. Good internet.
Balachandra, sir?
I think he
Anna
left.
Reddy.
Yes, sir. He is in Balachandra, sir. He is.
Anna Reddy never say. Suppose if Anna Reddy.
Continuously pick through he no aftercare 7:45 p.m.
If Anna Reddy 125 gives,
iPad lo undi kada.
Yes, sir. If
It's
Anarati
coming 3,000, sir.
for 125, 3,000 reaches, sir.
If international gives 1,000.
Yes, sir.
1,500.
1,000.
Okay.
1,000, sir.
But we'll ask international. He should also give 1,000.
Pick through he no aftercare, no aftercare.
It is for 1,000 international, sir. Not
Anna Reddy, no problem, sir. He will give. I think he's not. We are not getting him.
okay. Okay, sir.
This is what. So, chairman, we are getting 3,000 rupees with this money. You can motivate the directors in their area. If any director is interested, they can give. We are not pressurizing everybody to give money, but it is up to the directors. If anybody they want to announce at the multiple level or your district wise, whatever you like, we can give. No problem.
Balachandran, can you hear me, sir?
You can ask the directors also. Suppose if they want to promote anything in their districts, it is up to them to
Yes, certainly.
motivate. But we won't pressurize any directors.
Okay. Already in our list, our Professor Ramakrishna contributed. So another 2 internal directors are there. So they can, if they want, they can contribute for their district and other districts.
Yes. District or multiple, it is up to them. Srinivas garu. Srinivas.
I don't think he's there.
Srinivas, you are there?
No, he entered, sir. He entered very
He
much.
was here.
I see.
Srinivas Alagandra.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Sir, can you give for the entire multiple any contribution as a promotion? Our Ramakrishna International Director is giving 125 rupees for every member in this multiple.
Sir.
Can you?
Sir,
sponsor
actually,
similar way?
yesterday I made a 2 life members, sir. One life member I sent to Anup Mittalji, and one more life member today I sent to Anup Mittalji.
Yes.
And 2 clubs are in pipeline,
Yes.
and 1 district is in pipeline, sir. For this, I need some amount to do the things, sir. Actually, I took help of Anna Reddy.
Yes.
So he's sharing 50% of my burden to take one new district, and 4 or 5 clubs we are planning, sir. One is at Huzurabad. One is at Vanpelli, where we are planning for a 5 lakhs worth of mineral water plantation, sir. For this, we are collecting from all the members, even though it won't be sufficient, because it is a Tanda place, it is a Lambadi place, where we are planning a very big plantation, sir. That is a constancy of KTR, sir. So for that also we are giving good efforts to bring out that plantation, sir. That is the third reason, sir. And fourth reason, 4 or 5 clubs and under me,
Sir,
whatever.
Srinivas.
Sir.
Okay, that you can do regarding service activities, our district report and all, that is later.
Sir.
Now our agenda at the multiple level is, we are raising some fund to support the LMF. In this, I am giving 250 for each member. VMRAV is giving 250 for each member. And Mithwan is giving 250 for each member.
Sir.
And Venkatrav is giving 120. Venkatrav is giving, our vice chairman is giving 125 for each member. And Balakrishna is also giving 125 for each member. And Ramakrishna is also giving 125 for each member. So far, these Buchiram also giving 125 for each member.
Sir.
So,
you see, anyhow, you whatever LMF coming from your district, we also support you. This 3,000 support will be there from the multiple. So
Yes,
can
sir.
you support anything at the multiple level, like Ramakrishna director has given 125 rupees?
Yes, sir.
Can you give like
Sir.
that?
Sir, can you think and tell me tomorrow morning, sir?
Oh, okay, tomorrow I can tell. No, it is
Yes,
not. We are not pressurizing anybody.
No, sir. No, sir. Actually, I myself is ready to do the things, sir.
Sir,
Actually, I planned for the few
what
things.
I suggest you is you are doing a lot of projects in your district.
Yes, sir.
We can fund from the international also. If you
Yes,
give
sir.
a proper proposal,
Yes, sir.
and the project should be in the name of the international district name.
Yes, sir.
And if you give project to certain extent, we can help from the international for your projects. That is a different thing.
Yes, sir.
Don't spend always your money. You
Yes, sir.
involve all the people. International also will support. If you give good proposal, international will. Now oxygen concentrator we have given. Like
Yes, sir.
that. Now year after, we want to give some support to various projects.
Yes, sir.
Because last year we added 50 lakhs. Now some interest is coming.
Yes,
Now
sir.
this year also, now similarly this year also, we want to add 50 lakhs to 1 crore to the fund. And
Yes,
we are
sir.
getting already 50 rupees from each member to calamity fund. All this money we can utilize for various projects.
Yes, sir.
So I request you, because if it is not, because if it is not a financial problem for you personally, you contribute for the entire multiple.
Yes, sir.
Maybe
Sir,
1 rupees or like that.
Sir, how many members I have to contribute, sir?
We don't know. Now today we don't know how many members will come.
By the end of the year, there can be 200 or 300 also.
So maybe 300.
Yes.
Last time we thought 200, 250, 300. Then it came to 400.
Yes.
So it depends upon you. Last time you have given 100 LMF, so our burden more. You only
Sir,
made us
actually,
give more contribution.
this year also I am planning to give 50 LMF, sir. That's
is
why
why.
I already
No,
given
no.
to.
Suppose you are giving 50, your governor gives 100, 150, then we have to give to 150 people from your district itself. We are giving more
Okay,
to
sir.
your district only. So
Yes, sir.
for you,
Yes,
I
sir.
think you are an international leader. You have
Sir.
name and fame. Better to
Sir.
give 125 rupees for each LMF in our South Multiple.
Yes, sir. I'll do one thing, sir. With your this thing, sir, I'll contribute 50 rupees.
50
Or else
rupees.
100. Yes, sir. 100 rupees for first 100, sir.
I didn't understand.
Sir, first 100 people, I'll pay 100 rupees, sir. Or else entire people 50 rupees, sir.
You pay for entire people only. Whatever you pay for entire people, not 100.
Yes, sir. 50 rupees entire people, sir. 50
Okay,
rupees
okay,
entire
okay, okay. Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Then move it on, sir. Then one more ID is there, sir. Sundar Lakshmi from district.
Sundar Lakshmi, it is up to you because you see, we are not pressurizing anybody. If your personal finance permits only, you can do. That is left to you.
Okay, sir. Good evening, sir. Same like Srinivas, I also contribute 50 members, 50 rupees for all members.
How much, madam?
50 rupees.
50 rupees to all members.
50 rupees for all
For all
members.
members. Yes.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank
No
you.
problem. Whatever is possible for you. So this, according to this, you can calculate, sir, Madhvanand ji.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's come
Then,
to 2,100. Of course, we need not expect Kolanna Reddy.
Kolanna Reddy, he will give no problem.
Yes.
Generally, he won't say no.
Okay. Okay, sir. I think we can go for next subject, Chairman. If any other subject for agenda.
So we promise from the multiple level 3,000 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
With all these contributions.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now we reached that level, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for all of you. Of course, it is a tax to all of you. But this tax is going for a good purpose.
Yes,
So
yes.
let us pay this tax.
Excuse me, sir, it is not a tax at our place.
Sir?
Excuse me, not a place.
Balakrishna, you are spending a lot of money, but you are not spending on internet. That is the problem. You buy good internet. That is why hereafter we have to
Sir, I
collect
got
from everybody money for internet and buy.
Sir, just to increase your pack, sir. Just to increase your bandwidth pack, sir. That is enough, sir.
Already, what to increase?
No, just if they use the mobile device as a media,
Yes.
they can increase. They can add booster. Even they can add for a few days also.
Yes.
If you have their Wi-Fi in his house, that is good.
Yes.
Today, without internet, nothing will happen, sir.
No, what is the MBR? What we call MBR? What is this capacity?
That is actually today you can go for minimum per day. That is 1.5 GB download, sir. They are providing
1.5 GB
5 GB per day. Actually, you can go for 84 days.
Sir, monthly package. Suppose monthly
3 months, 590 something will come, sir.
3 months, 580.
90. So 84 days approximately.
Actually, I am paying for me 1100 every month.
Yeah, that means your bandwidth is more. That is you are using Wi-Fi.
Yes.
That is Wi-Fi, that one.
Wi-Fi, I am paying 1100 a month.
Yeah, it's okay. It's good, sir.
It's very exorbitant, sir. Are you using Airtel, sir?
No, I use Google TV. For TV also I use Google phone. I will use internet.
What is the brand you are using? Airtel, Vodafone?
This one, internet, sir. Internet.
Yeah.
Internet ours Jio, sir.
Jio. Oh.
Yes.
It's okay, sir. Okay, it's good only.
That is why no problem. I can use.
You can go for annual, sir. For annual, it will comes about 2,500.
No, every month I am paying 1100 rupees for everything.
Best deal, sir. Best deal.
150 MB, I think something is there. 150.
That Mbps, that is speed.
Speed.
For Airtel, I am paying 2,500 rupees per annum. Whereas I am using daily 2 GB, sir.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
But I am not using that much GB only for speed only. I pay this money. Speed and accuracy and it will. That's
one thing.
Much.
Raju, one thing. Keep it in mind. Whatever you are increasing speed, your modem should support for that.
Yes.
Just purchasing pipe and water coming less, no use. Or maybe pipe less, you are coming water more. That also no use.
Yes.
So you have to plan it accordingly.
Only for I paid for this. I'm having boosters also, another 2 boosters also in house. Anywhere I can get.
Sir, Jio is good, and ACT is a good.
Yes.
You can use it best, sir.
Yes.
Nowadays, Airtel giving some trouble now.
Yes.
Because they are maintaining something is going on inside.
Yes. Next, sir. Next, another thing.
That's all, sir. I think you discussed all the subjects today.
Sir,
Balachandran, can you hear me, sir?
Only one subject discusses, sir, nothing more.
What about
sir,
other subjects?
bank account, sir.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Sir,
Uh,
what about
Balachandran,
the
sir?
Rajendran,
other suggestions are given? Let us involve the vice chairmen also. Assign some responsibilities in conducting the PST seminar to second vice chairman, Merlo seminar to first vice chairman.
yes.
And Merlo team, they have to conduct training programs for the districts. Now through Zoom is there. So we have very good faculty, Sundar Lakshmi and all this, Ramakrishna, all these are very good faculty. Sastri, we have a wonderful faculty. So you can use them regularly for conducting the programs from the multiple level.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That also you can plan.
I think if our chairman's line is not clear,
Yes.
Rajan, I think you can brief about the banking activity, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, good evening to all, sir. Sir, actually, this bank account we moved with HDFC, but now they are reluctant. There is some problem, so we are trying for another bank, and as well as I think we will get approval to frame our own bylaws and get account, sir.
How do you got the PAN number? How do you got the PAN number, Rajendran?
Sir, PAN number already we got it, sir.
How do you got it? How do you got it?
By using the international bylaws, sir.
Sir, Rao, sir, I will tell you, sir. See, we got authorized letter from headquarters informing that in Madras, his chairman is operating our South Multiple Council in this address. So, quoting that letter as our address proof, we applied for PAN card and we got it, sir.
Then
But we
you
submitted
cannot
our,
open.
pardon?
You cannot open your bank account in any bank.
Why, sir? We can use, sir.
I don't think.
When
Sir, we
PAN
can
card is
open a
there,
bank account,
sir,
sir.
when PAN card is there, what is the problem for bank to open the account?
What is the constitution? What is the constitution?
Constitution for what,
Sir,
sir?
our multiple constitution you can give.
Yes, we had already submitted our constitution copy, sir. Constitution bylaws copy, we already submitted.
Of international.
Not I'm submitting, I'm only submitted only this multiple, sir.
Multiple bylaws.
Yes.
And that's why I'm asking whether it is registered or not.
No, sir, it's registered only head office. From head office, they are giving an authorization letter informing that the South Multiple is having its headquarters in Chennai at this particular address. It is functioning. So based on
What
that,
is the signatories in constitution? What is the signatories authorities?
authorities only out of 3 persons, treasurer is a must. Then we are going for either secretary or
chairman, perhaps.
I think in the South Multiple Council, as per bylaw, I think only the chairman is Balachandran is authorized. So he planned to include all the treasurers and joins another 3
Otherwise,
members.
VM Rao, one thing we can do, let us prepare South Multiple Constitution, one constitution and register it so that it will be easy for getting the bank loan account number and all these things.
That's why that needs to be done, sir.
That also we can plan this year, South Multiple. Already we have international constitution and they have a standard.
Whatever the constitution laws prepared by the headquarters, that can be implemented here. By registering, that can be registered here.
Sir, with this same multiple constitution, whatever we have in the international constitution, with same constitution, we can do here and register as a society. Then automatically we'll get PAN number and we can open the bank account.
Yes, that I'm going to ask, sir.
Let us appoint some. PM Rao, you can prepare that. Or Mathivanan, you can prepare that constitution and register, no problem.
Okay, sir. I can.
Register in Chennai also, no problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can
Once
do
we
that.
register, same constitution every year, multiple will follow.
Yes, yes, yes.
We can let
Sir,
us
I'm also requesting you, sir. The same system also should be adapted to the district level also.
Yes.
Because
that is-
district people also, they should maintain account.
Every district should they should form a
Sir,
society and
for
register.
all the districts we are advising, sir, nobody is following.
Sir, we are.
In
Rao, sir,
in
we
our
are
district
having our
105, we
own,
open
sir.
account, sir.
160, 214.
Sir, VM Rao, why don't you do one thing? You prepare a standard constitution for every district and send to the governors. With that they reach.
But in that, you know, Pankaj is told that he is sending to all the districts.
Pankaj.
అది వదిలేండి సార్, మీరు తయారు చేయండి సౌత్
Sir,
మల్టిపుల్.
you don't worry about international. Now we are at the multiple level. You prepare a standard format and give it to Balachandran, and he will circulate to all the governors. And let them get reached
board
in the
meeting,
districts.
in the international board meeting, our international president has authorized to Pankaj to send all the.
Okay, that is different. If they send it is okay, sir. Sir, multiple also. See, international is doing its work. Multiple also can do. What is there?
Multiple can do, sir. And for all
Sir,
the districts,
our district 105 having the bank account. They said no. They accepted.
Previously, we can open bank account very easily, sir. But nowadays, it's very
Yes,
difficult.
it has become difficult.
They are asking constitution,
Very difficult.
PAN number.
No, sir.
That
Sir,
is it.
sir. One basic thing, sir. They want to have the address proof, sir. For address proof, we have to register as a society or something like that.
Yes, yes.
Or otherwise, I am getting an approval letter from the head office. So basing on that, we have applied for district 160 also, we are having a bank account. We
Yes.
are operating for the past 2 years.
Sir, Madhivanan, sir.
But all banks are not accepting like that. They are asking constitution.
Constitution, sir, constitution we can give. Apart from that, we have to prove that from this address only we are operating. That is the
Yes,
problem.
No,
Madhivanan,
instead of that, if you register one constitution,
Ah,
separate constitution for multiple,
yes.
and one standard constitution for district. If our multiple gives to
Sir,
every
now-
district that constitution.
Now we are having such constitution available with us, sir.
Yes, yes.
Separate constitution for district, separate constitution for multiple, and separate constitution for international. All the
same-
3 constitution bylaws we are already having.
No, same thing we can
Problem
give.
is, we have to prove that in which address it is functioning. We have to prove that address proof. For that address proof, you should be registered in some government concerns. That is the problem.
Okay.
Even if you are having constitution copy, that will not serve our purpose.
Yes. They have to give an authorization letter from international.
Yes.
Yes.
But sir, it is every year. Suppose every year when new team comes, it is becoming problem. Suppose tomorrow Balakrishna will come. You want to open at Karim Nagar.
Yeah.
So that is why if you registered a society and the multiple level, immediately you can get that copy,
Yes.
registration copy they can give and get bank
Yes,
account.
yes.
That will be similarly for district also. Every district, if they register, simply
Yeah.
they can give that copy, registration copy, and constitution of the district, and can open an account easily.
Yes.
Now slowly difficult. Now branch manager cannot open an account for trusts and societies. They are sent to the regional office.
Yes.
A regional office legal expert will be there. He will
Yeah.
put so many questions.
Yeah.
So instead of that, if you have a copy of registration, easily they will open.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, I
that
have
we
a
can
small
plan.
suggestion, sir.
Yes.
Tell me, Sastri.
Sir, in that case, it's better to have a permanent headquarters for South Multiple, so that these problems will not be there.
But now immediately we.
But
don't have a
chairman will be
permanent-
from different places, you know. Chairman will be from different places.
Yes,
Chairman
sir,
is
but
changing.
chairman will change, but headquarters will remain same, like just like our international headquarters.
How
Let
do they
us-
operate the account if the bank account is
Nowadays,
in
it is not a
headquarters?
problem, sir. Account can be opened anywhere now, online
Yes.
only.
And it can be
Account
operated
is in
from anywhere.
Chennai. We can deposit there. We can operate from Karim Nagar also.
Yes.
Yes.
And we have to just work out the modalities on that.
Yes. Now, whatever account now is opening, Balachandran is opening, same can be continued in future years also.
Yes.
Then we have to submit a resolution that the
Yes, sir.
signatories will be different.
Now, anyhow, they have opened the account, sir. Same account will be continued.
Continued,
in future.
yes.
Yes.
From any branch we can operate anywhere.
Only every year we have to give one resolution, the change of office bearers, sir. That's
That branch only, in that branch only.
In that branch,
Yes.
only, sir. Now online, sir. you can transfer from branch to branch also. There is not a
Yes.
problem.
But changing of the signatures has to be submitted in the same branch, not any
Same
other.
branch.
Yes, sir.
They will submit what is there. That also we can do.
Yes, we have to just submit the resolution, and in that we have to state that the following signatories will be acting as a fresh signatories.
Yes, yes.
Sir.
So that we can do. Next, sir, Balchandran, another matter.
Sundar, you want to say something?
Madam, unmute your mic, madam.
Sir, while opening an account, we need an authorization letter. So the council chairman can send the authorization letter to each and every district, and also you can send the district constitution and bylaws. So now we are trying to open an account, so we need your assistance and help, sir.
That's what, now we are getting authorization letter from the headquarters.
No, for
Not from
you,
South.
for us, we need from multiple, sir. For each and every district to open an account, you can get an authorization from the council chairperson.
Okay, of course, so Balachandran can give
Yeah.
You send me the address, to which address it should be sent, or
Okay,
which
sir.
address it should be mentioned in the authorization letter. Accordingly, you will send.
So that is our district governor's address.
Okay. Askar Ali's address.
Yeah, Askarali.
Okay.
So that we can open an account.
Okay.
And we need our district constitution also. You have a
Yes, yes.
copy, send that, sir.
Yes. We will send you the authorization letter as well as constitution copy.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Balachandran, you available, sir?
Sir, available, sir.
You check with him, sir, whether he can.
No, his voice is
Available,
not-
but I think he is not able to speak.
Madhivananji,
Yes.
in the council meeting, why you have not presented the budget?
Only Devarajan.
Yes, sir. So we have only made a provisional. Only after opening the bank account, we will present the complete budget. So as told in the previous meeting.
No way connected to
Connected,
bank.
sir. It is no way connected with preparing our budget as well as to the bank operations or something like that.
Provisional budget we can present.
But anyway, in the next meeting you submit it, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, you create a WhatsApp group for this multiple core committee, then it will be easy. Communication will be easy.
Okay.
You need not call everybody, and you can send the communication.
Okay. Right, sir.
Any other
Then-
suggestions by any
Then
member?
what else, sir? Any suggestion from any other member?
Sir, Madhivanan sir, can I speak a few words?
Sir, what about extension of, sir, let us discuss what about extension of new districts? Any of you are proposing new districts? I think Sundar Lakshmi, she can do more districts this year.
Yes, sir. We are trying one district in Rasipuram. We are
Where, madam?
speaking with them. Rasipuram.
Near Salem.
Salem,
near
Salem. Okay,
Salem.
okay.
We are speaking for that. And one at Sri Lanka
Yes.
and one at Maldives.
Very good.
Very good.
So we are trying, sir. We are speaking with them.
Good.
Then Pondicherry also, there Gopi Krishna, he promised me district. Gopi Krishna.
Gopala Krishna is not from
Gopala
Pondicherry, sir.
Krishna,
He is from Kanchipuram, sir, not from Pondicherry.
Not
That's
Pondicherry.
why, that's why we are
Kanchi.
confused.
Yes,
Yeah.
I confused. Kanchi.
Yeah.
Kanchi.
So that district 247, today they are submitted two clubs from Kanchipuram, sir.
No, 247, they are doing very well, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What about this Pondicherry, sir? Pondicherry, we have to get good leader.
We will do, sir.
Pondicherry is a good area, but so far.
Yeah.
Not. So let us adjourn, sir.
Yes, sir. Devaraj, with the formal vote of thanks, you can complete the meeting, sir.
So our chairman is happy now. You got your 3,000 rupees.
Yeah, because of you.
Otherwise, he is prepared, sir.
Sir, entire credit goes to you, sir.
No.
Yes.
Because we have to plan somehow and do it.
So Raju sir
Okay,
is
last
very-
time I faced problem again raising funds.
Sir, you have
Yes.
given a very good formula, sir.
Yes, very efficient to extract more.
Devaraj.
Madhivanan sir, to 1 minute.
Yes.
Yeah, so regarding our process also 1 minute I will tell. Sir, regarding our South Multiple Council things, so we already started the website development work that almost in a 80 to 90% stage. So within a week that also to be ready. And next we created, we paid one email we started that is called info@aacasmc.com. That is the paid email. So that is unique. So hereafter I shared already. So all the for administration purpose they can start use of that. And apart from social media, already we created Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, plus YouTube channel already is there. As of today, almost 30 YouTube channels, the programs we uploaded in the site. Almost averagely some 1,000 plus of users moving in that. So we are going in the right track. And these are the information. So next level of things we can plan it, sir, accordingly.
Okay, so now it is easy, sir. Now I am giving reference. Today also I spoke to Waganda, one leader, and immediately I told him to see our YouTube. Immediately he has seen, and okay, sir, I have seen so many programs. He is very happy. He is very happy by seeing. Easy for us now. Sir, we need not give any link. Now, just I am telling YouTube Association of Alliance Clubs International. That's
just
all.
you can go, sir. AACA or your Association of Alliance. That's all. You can get it that.
Same thing I'm doing.
Once you subscribe, all the program, whatever we are posting, you will get a notification.
I will ask them to subscribe.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, good.
Yesterday I shared the information, sir. The analytical report also I shared.
Okay.
Already the international Philippines, Nepal, all that area and all they are start using that.
Now, what about this news reader, sir? Shortly we have to start news reader.
Yesterday we discussed. I discussed with Madhivanan sir also regarding. So now first we have to take it program indexing of that. So
yes,
sir will ready with that one. Reader we have to finalize and start that work, sir.
Okay.
Probably within 1 week or 10 days we can go for first broadcasting, sir.
Sure, sir.
Senthilji, I think you can announce the date of training all VDs and DGs regarding Zoom this thing.
We planned that 5th, sir, June 5th.
June 5th or 9th?
Yeah, June 5th is Sunday is coming, no? 5th
June
or 6th,
5th
right, sir? 6th, sir.
Sendil, yeah.
June 6th is the Sunday, 11 to 12.
Yeah. Okay. That you can make an announcement.
That is that program, as you discussed, Zoom, how to use it effectively. That is the program title.
And how to save the recordings.
Yeah. So we can start from fundamentals.
Yes.
And how to they start and how to they practice it, how to download it, and how to upload. So we can go with a basic to next level, sir. First degree, second degree level.
Okay.
A Zoom link can be created, that can be circulated.
Announcement about that, sir.
Even we will record and we will post it in that record also. They can, after that also, anybody not attend, they can see that.
Okay.
So 1 hour or 1.5 hours, that is maximum, that is enough. Particularly Zoom.
So
maybe next topic we can plan for a YouTube channel also. You can, after downloading of all this, how to upload it in the YouTube, how to use it YouTube things, because that is another separate topic.
So that is next level.
The same day will give means too many information problem.
Senthil Kumar, you can take 1 hour like that separately.
Okay.
You can conduct a seminar.
Sure.
All of us will attend.
Definitely, sir.
That is better.
Yeah.
Not with the other programs. Exclusively for this purpose, you can conduct a seminar when you are free.
Sure.
So all members can attend, see, and we learn.
Sir, and sir, you will make our all district PROs as IT also, sir. They can handle IT.
Yes.
But they should have some knowledge about that, sir. We cannot accept all the PROs to have wide knowledge on that.
People who have knowledge, them only we have to invite, sir.
Sir, that's what.
You can ask the governor to nominate 1 or 2 people.
Yes, sir. Sir, what we suggest our Senthil Kumar, and coming Sunday 6, we are conducting some program on that day, so that on that day you can identify who can handle all these things.
Yes.
Sir, this will give some effective ones, sir, because the people also will show interest. So because while they are learning, definitely they can start using of that.
Some
a very
people
simple
are
one.
interesting people will be there, some districts. Suppose our district, some people are there, like that 106 or any district. They are very much interested and they can spend time and learn and do. Them only for them only we can give. Yes. Suppose our district Vidyasagar is a good man.
Yeah.
Similarly, other countries also we have to take.
Now I am getting call from the Bangladesh. I am getting call from the Sri Lanka. Those they start using of my knowledge.
Yes, 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 correct.
Sir, I am supporting all the people, sir. As of yesterday, this I'm not keeping any pending. Even somebody is not able to share their video, I am asking them to submit it.
Yes, yes.
So this will make my vision is another maybe 1 or 2 months I have to reach 100 videos in our YouTube.
Yes, good, good.
This is my vision, first vision.
Yes.
Thank you.
This also regarding this also we discussed, sir, regarding business review, business promotion.
Yeah, we can plan it that one, sir.
That
So,
also you plan. We can give in the YouTube channel weekly 1 meeting or 2 meetings. Let the people come and say about their own business.
In different vertical category wise, health, pharma, like that many things.
That also encourages so many members to join in our organization.
Even financial VM Rao sir is a specialist. you can give. So many areas are there.
VM Rao, last time I think you are there. You are there or not? We discussed it.
Okay.
Alliance business.
Yeah, I was in that meeting, sir.
In that we name it properly. In that, what is our idea is our member, if they want to promote their business, they can give their message in the YouTube channel. And we allow only our members. Suppose you are having one business, they can show their video and tell about their business. So that all our members can see, outsiders can see.
Yeah,
so
yeah, we can do, sir.
Suppose you are having, Venkatrao is having hotel. He can present about his video of his hotel. He can tell facilities. He can tell everything about his hotel business.
We can demonstrate. We can put it in that.
Similarly, any other business, some industry, he can tell about that industry only for our members. This facility is only for our members.
It's a good suggestion, sir. It's a very effective one. You see, instead of other images, that one, you show your infrastructure and you are telling about the things and you're giving some offers.
We are giving just like ad for their business. They can explain, they can speak. Their executive can speak and present their business.
Definitely.
So that suppose Balachandran is there one day for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, he will tell about his hospital and what are the facilities, everything he will tell.
Definitely, sir.
So
we can
it may
start.
be useful for members, our members only. We don't know what business a member have. By presenting like that, if any reference is there, immediately they can see in YouTube and they can contact the concerned person.
Sure, sir.
That also we can plan.
It's a good idea, sir.
Yes.
I think
our past representative Santama is also in the meeting, sir.
Yes.
Oh,
Santama is here.
She's joined. She's there, sir.
You ask her to speak.
Madam?
Santama, can you speak?
No, both her audio and video are off.
I think she may be listening or not listening.
Requested to unmute her. She has
Both
to
audio
stop.
and video are muted, sir.
Yeah, I requested for both.
She is coming, sir.
Yes.
Madam, please unmute, madam.
Okay. Yes. Good evening, all of you.
Very good evening, madam.
Our leader and our motivator, Raj Garu, and our multiple chairperson, the very great personality, Balachandran sir, a very dedicated worker, and very dedicated person and a great philanthropist also. All the multiple leaders and members, please accept my congratulations for being being holding the post. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Balachandran, sir.
Thank you for participating. Sir, can I ask for a vote of thanks, sir?
రాజు గారు
ఓకే
ఒక చిన్న అడ్వైజ్ అండి.
ఓకే
మనకేంటంటే ఈ కరోనా టైంలో
tell in English, sir, so that
చేసి
other people also will understand. If you tell in English, other people.
yes. During this chronic period, we should concentrate on each and every district should be registered as a society in that area. And also every society automatically a member in the international and multiple. The club is only the member, like Lions Club. And we should also give the number, unique number to the each member. And automatically we will generate the number. It comes around 25 to 30,000 rupees. We will form as a society. Yeah, society can give the product for the welfare of the members. I think maybe tax may be exempted or tax may be less, I think. Some Andhra University Cooperative Society or other cooperative societies are there. The tax is also very less for them. Like that, some products which may be useful to the houses or personal purpose, we can also hold those products like a naphtha and other people. Because of 25 to 30,000 people are there in our group. And from the central, we will organize one product, for example, a cooker, which will be 1,600 or 1,800 at outside. When we will get it for a wholesale price at 850 or 900 rupees, then the members also will be attracted to the benefits by seeing all these benefits which are provided by the Association of Lions Club International. And at the same time, when we are giving a unique number to the each and every member, by every year we can calculate how many members they have renewed and how many members are dropped. But there is no statistics regularly. And at the same time, some districts in the clubs, they have paying the international more money, and for the districts, they are not paying even till today. We are not able to dissolve them. We are not able to eliminate them for giving the prizes or whatever it may be in choosing the leaders, because ours is a growing organization. And at the same time, we also have a responsibility to streamline. Whoever paying the international should also pay the district. Then automatically district will be strengthened. And at the same time, multiple also won't get the amount, whatever number it had. Then automatically year by year, one club is neglecting to pay this year. Next year, 2 clubs, next year, 3 clubs, they won't pay the district dues and multiple dues. Like that, financial sustainability is also not there. If we are giving such a liberty for the clubs, and we have to think of it by giving a unique number and how many number is there and what number we got. And whenever we paid the 30 members or 40 members from the club to the international, automatically that 30 number also should be paid to the district. The 30 number also should be paid to the multiple. But it was not keenly observed in our organization. Some people, they have taken it as an advantage. Years together, they are not paying. Even then, we are routining, so that they are not take it as serious as. Those who have paid, they pay attention also. Is a nominal amount we are collecting from the individuals. Even for that nominal amount also, whether the members are given or not, we don't know. The clubs are not crediting or not, I don't know. But whenever the responsibility, they never feel president, secretary, and treasurer by collecting the money from the members and credit in the international and the district level. And district governor also not able to credit that amount to the multiple, whatever number he may be had. So suppose he has to be paid the total number, but he is not able to pay. Like that, to streamline, the payment structure, we are having a very less fees. 200 rupees is not at all a burden for any member. And at the same time, in that number, the 30 rupees to the multiple and also to the 200 rupees international has to be paid by each and every member. Then financially, our organization will be strengthened. And we have to force every district has to be registered as a society in that area by giving a certain address proof, whoever the governor. Next time, the address may be shifted. Like that, we have to concentrate at this stage. Instead of doing the social service, very difficult to go out. Even registration of the society is also online. When we went to that Mi Seva or any other areas in the Andhra Pradesh, then automatically they will register by giving us 7 names: President, Secretary, Treasurer, Joint Secretary. If every district has registered as a society, then automatically there is no objection to open an account and also get a PAN card. And every club is automatically a member in the multiple and also the international. Club as a member will take and consider in the member. And automatically other members, the associated members, other members also will be called as associated members or whatever it may be. That procedure we have seen in the Lions Club, and that may be the correct, I think, what I am thinking. Sir. Thank you.
Yes, he said is correct. Already we have a number system. Club have a number. Member also have a member. That system we are following our international also there. But
International also, but nobody knows the number.
No, sir. If you take the list of your club, and they will give all these things along with the name and the number and everything, you will get it.
No, sir. No.
They are allotting international. They are allotting for every club.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Till today, that system has not there in our clubs and also in the district.
Sir, in the charter certificate it says number of the member will be mentioned, sir.
If you want, they will give the number. Every
And number of the club is also mentioned
Yeah.
in the charter itself.
That's right. Regarding
Even in the directory also, the registered number of the lines will be mentioned in the directory. But that was not found in our directory. In the last directories I had seen, there is no registration number of an individual was not printed in the address or in the directory.
That is not printed, but sir, the registration number printing is difficult in the directory. But the clubs, if you want with the numbers, international will give you the list for any club.
Okay.
They are sending. You can get from the international, they will give you. Regarding districts, it is a district, they have to frame their own rules because some districts following different rules.
From last 1 month, I am asking the international treasurer and also Anup Garu, give how many people have paid international dues, how many clubs paid for how many members, to compare with the year in the district, why they have not credited very less number in the district. We will ask the people and get it back that dues.
Sir, every month they are sending recap to every governor. Mail, you are getting mail every month. How much you paid, what is the due, what is the past due, what is the present due, how much still have to pay.
No, sir, I had checked all my mails after asking you and asked that Anup Mittal Garu and also Matwan Garu. I sent the message to the Matwan sir also.
But anyhow, okay. మీరు mail check చేసుకోండి ఒకసారి నేను I will ask Anup Mittal tomorrow. We can speak to Anup Mittal and they have.
They are sending, sir. We are getting every month. We are getting.
Sir.
Every month we are getting.
The mail ID may be wrong. Every time they are sending. I am also getting copy. Multiple chairman is getting copy.
Recently, Matwan sir asked my mail address 2 times. I sent my mail address. My mail address is there in the directory from last 2 years. The same mail address I have.
Sir, me morning Anup Mittal adagandi. For every time they are sending, for which mail they send, what is the list? You ask him, he will send again the email copy to you.
And Matwan sir is a treasurer, so that I asked Matwan sir.
Because
every time is not possible to.
No, he's sending. Every month they are sending, sir. Maybe any wrong noted your email may be there. But it is common. Every governor.
Even Matwan and any treasurer ask again, it will going to Anup Mittal only. Yes, he is only to person to provide you the information.
Yes, sir, you get from me. Madhavan also will ask international office only, but every month they are sending.
He will ask her to Anupetal only.
You
Nobody is
speak
having the
Anupetal.
side about that.
Anupetal, he will tell you.
They
Maybe
around
will
6 to 7 clubs they have paid to the international and they have not paid the district dues. And other clubs also they paid 70 people
Sir,
for international.
that is the up to the district. You have to discuss at the district level only.
Yes,
Why
yes.
your district people are not paying district dues.
Yes,
You have to
yes,
discuss
yes.
at our honorary committee meeting and take a decision regarding that.
Yes, yes,
Multiple
yes.
is not concerned for district.
Yes.
Every district have their own problems.
Venkataragar.
Chappan sir.
In turn of the headquarters and head office, when they will pay to the district? At the end of the year only they can pay. If your proposal is acceptable.
What sir? What?
Well, you told that international is the responsible to collect the district dues also, na?
No. I am not saying. You understand wrongly.
I am understanding.
I never said.
Stop this
You
matter.
understand wrongly.
Sir.
Wrongly you have interpreted.
Sir, that is stop. That is let us stop this matter. That is district level matter. Okay, close here. This one. Okay, sir. Rajendra,
Okay.
please. Okay.
Devarajan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Go for a vote of thanks, sir.
Okay. So thank you for the opportunity, Madhavan sir. So on the invitation of our SMC chairman, C. Balachandran sir, we all have attended the core committee meeting. So on behalf of Balachandran sir, Rajendran sir, and all our SMC committee members and core committee members. So we thank all the dignitaries who have attended the core committee meeting. Start from Raju sir, he is giving full information, motivation, and instruction, and also efficiently canvassing the subscription sharing amount from all the participants intelligently and efficiently. Thanks, Raju sir. Madhivanan sir, he conducted the program very efficiently. And Rajendran sir, thank you, Rajendran sir. So we thank VM Rao Kar and Shastri Kar, International Director Sundara Lakshmi Kar, Ramakrishnan sir, and Kola Anna Reddy sir, and Buchuram sir, and Dr. Sinivasan sir. So thanks, and Santama Kar also attended the meeting. Thanks. And Vijayalakshmi and Atmaramlu and Govindan sir, Ramesh Rajaram sir, and lastly Senthil Kumar sir also coordinate very efficiently by giving the inputs and sharing the YouTube and all that. So we thank Balakrishna sir, Balakrishna Sitalu, Venkatarao, on behalf of Balachandra sir, Rajendra sir, and myself and Aruparam Jodin, we thank all the core committee members for attending this meeting. Thank you, Madhivanan sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Anybody I have left? Sorry. Okay, because it is first time I have.
Thanks.
You have covered all members.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Dara sir. Thanks to all.
Okay.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thanks a lot.
Madhivanan ji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody.
Rajendran ji, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Shastri sir.
Thank you, sir.